Greetings everyone, I'm Dr. Deepa Agarwal. I am a pediatrician and an allergy specialist at Mayom Hospital, Gurgaon. Today I will talk about the skin allergy testing. What is skin allergy testing? Why is it done? How is it done? What precautions you need to take before going for the test? And are there any risks for the test? So what is skin allergy testing? Skin allergy testing, it is a more specific test which is done worldwide to find out allergy to a specific allergen. So what is an allergen? Allergen are the substances that cause an allergic reaction to an individual, which can result in allergies like recurrent allergic rhinitis, urticaria, eczema or asthma. Now allergens, there can be multiple allergens in the environment and it is not possible to test for each and every allergen which is present in the environment. Most common allergies are basically because of inhaled allergens, and sometimes it is because of ingested allergens in the form of food items. Commonly we do skin allergy testing to identify the inhaled allergens and in some cases also to find out the food allergies. Now inhaled allergens, as I told you, there can be multiple thousands and millions of allergens in the environment, but there are certain common allergens which are commonly responsible for allergies in an individual. For example, in almost 30% of the cases, the allergies are caused by dust mites. In 25% cases, it is caused by pollens. And in others, the reasons are molds, insect danders, danders of certain pets, and certain animal skin. So in skin allergy testing, which is a gold standard test, what we do is we apply a concentrate of that particular allergen on the skin of an individual, and a little prick is done with the help of a very fine hypodermic needle so that that allergen goes inside the skin. If a person is sensitive, or in a way you say allergic to that particular allergen, then he will develop a allergic reaction at that point in the form of redness, itching and a wheal, which is measured and then compared with a standard allergen which is also applied on the skin. So this gives allergy specialist an idea of what allergen the patient is sensitive to, so that the therapy can be directed against that particular allergen, resulting in better results in the treatment of allergies, and sometimes it results in cure of allergies. So as I told you that it involves applying of the allergens on the skin, so there are certain precautions which we need to take before a person goes for an allergy testing. Number one is, before going for an allergic test, allergy skin prick test, it is very important to stop all the medicines a patient is taking for allergy at least 3 to 7 days before going for the allergy test, depending upon the type of drug he is on. We also check if the patient is on drugs like antacids and antidepressants, which also sometimes need to be stopped before going for an allergic test. On the day of allergic testing, it is not required to come empty stomach. You can come anytime during the day, and the meal is not a issue if you have to go for an allergic test. We just clean this area where we perform the allergy test, which is usually the forearm. It is properly cleaned, and also a proper history and a scoring is done on the basis of history and symptoms of the patient, which helps us in guiding the treatment on the basis of the allergy test results. After that, the allergens are applied on the skin. The patient is asked to wait for at least 10 to 15 minutes after the application of allergens for the reaction to develop, and after that the test is read, and usually the total duration of the test is around 25 to 30 minutes, after which you are free to go. So that's how this test is done. Usually there are no risks involved in doing an allergy testing. Very rarely, if you are very sensitive to a particular allergen, a person might develop a severe allergic reaction, though I have not seen even a single allergic reaction in any of my patients on whom I have done many allergy testing. But yes, it is reported that rarely one can develop a severe allergic reaction in the form of itching all over the body, rashes, breathing difficulty, and that is why we do the allergy testing in a hospital setting, so that can be taken care of easily. Hopefully I have clarified all your doubts regarding the allergy testing. Thank you so much. Stay safe and healthy. Goodbye.